Hola, hola, clase. Buenos dias. Crazy, huh? Today is Tuesday, May 5th, 2020. Today is Cinco de Mayo. So that is the 5th of May. During your reading lesson today, we're going to talk about the meaning of Cinco de Mayo and how it gets its name and what we are celebrating if we celebrate Cinco de Mayo. Okay, it has to do with a country that we learned about during our trip around the world earlier this year, about Mexico. So we're going to talk about it later. Today's temperature is going to be 51 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to do some really cool things today in Spanish. Just going to try to teach you a couple words. Let's start with the days of the week first. Okay, we're going to start with Sunday, Domingo, Monday, Lunes, Tuesday, martes, Wednesday, miércoles, Thursday, jueves, Friday, viernes, and Saturday, domingo. Okay, months of the year. January is enero, February is febrero, March is marzo, April is abril, May is mayo, June is junio, July is julio, August is agosto, September is septiembre, October is octubre, November is novembre, and December is diciembre. Those are our days of the week and months of the year. Now you heard me say at the beginning, I said, hola, hola, clase. And we know that hola means hello. And I said buenos dias. That's basically I'm saying good morning or good day. And then when people are trying to ask each other how they're doing in Spanish, they might say ¿cómo está? And if I said to you, ¿cómo está? You might say back to me, muy bien, I'm doing very well, or así así, I'm so-so, or maybe muy malo, not doing so good today. But you would respond, I would say, ¿cómo está? You would say, muy bien, and then you would say, y tú, basically asking me, how are you as well? So if I said, ¿cómo está? And you said, muy bien, y tú, I would say, muy bien, también also. I'm very good as well, because I'm very excited to try to do some fun Spanish things with you today. All right, I know most of you already know how to count to 10 in Spanish, but let's do it anyways. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve, diez. Let's do it one more time. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve, diez. Thumbs up. Nice job, friends. All right, some other things that we said we were going to do every day this month. We're going to add some quarters. And yesterday we started with 1 quarter, and we said with 1 quarter we had 25 cents. Today our quarter collection is 2 quarters, 25.50. You got it? And 2 quarters, we know 2 quarters together is 50 cents. If I'm writing it with a cent sign, I put it like this. If I'm writing it with a dollar sign, I put the dollar sign, 0, decimal point, 50 cents. Because there are no dollars, just 50 cents. So yesterday we started with a quarter. Today we have 2 quarters, 25.50, and we have 50 cents. Okay. Now we said on our calendar each day we would start with a starting point. And our starting point from yesterday, we're starting at 53. Yesterday we found the spot on the number grid. The number that is missing where the lily pad is, where Tad is hopping, is the number 53. And now we're starting at 53 and we have 3 arrows. What do you think we are doing with those 3 arrows? You are absolutely right, friends. We're starting at 53. That is our start number today. And we're adding 3. Starting at 53, we're adding 3. 3 arrows to the right, and I can hear you all doing that counting on the number grid. Here's our number grid. Starting at 53, 1, 2, 3. And what did we land on? Absolutely, we landed on 56. And the color for our calendar piece today is yellow. So we're gonna take our 56 and we're gonna color 56 yellow. So, see what I see so far. I see 2 yellows, I see 2 purples, and I see an orange. I don't see any patterns yet. Do you see any patterns yet? No say, I don't know. I don't see any patterns yet. So we will see how that keeps rolling out. Okay, our number today, yesterday was the 154th day. So today we're at the 155th day. I have 100, 5 tens, and 5 ones. So our number today is 155. If I'm writing in expanded form, 100 plus 50 plus 5. 155 is our number today. Okay, let's try our coins. A penny is worth, a penny is worth 1 cent. A penny is worth 1 cent. A penny is worth 1 cent. Show me Uno right now. A nickel is worth 5 cents. A nickel is worth 5 cents. A nickel is worth 5 cents. Show me Cinco right now. Nice job. A dime is worth 10 cents. A dime is worth 10 cents. A dime is worth 10 cents. Show me diez right now. Good job. All right. Now, let's take a look at our clock. Okay, Aura S, what time is it? All right, we're gonna keep putting our time on the clock. Just make sure you're using those hands correctly. Make sure if my long hand, my minute hand's on the 12, I know it's o'clock. My hour hand's on the 10, what time is it? 10 o'clock. What time is it? You got it, 7 o'clock. What time is it? You got it, 5 o'clock. 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock. Now, let's talk again. Minute hand is down here on the 6. So I'm cutting the pie in half. I'm cutting the clock in half. It is half past. And I see this hour hands in between the 12 and the 11. It's half past 12, so it's 12:30. In between the 8 and the 9, it's half past 8, it's 8:30. Sorry. Half past 2, it's 2:30. All right, so let's do what we did yesterday. We're gonna start on the hour. Right now we're starting on 1 o'clock, right? As that hand moves and comes down here, it's half past 1, so it's 1:30. That minute hand's moving up here. Now it's, you got it, 2 o'clock. Coming down here, 2:30. Coming back up, what time is it? 3 o'clock. As it moves, that hour hand goes right in between there. Now it's 3:30. Back up top, 4 o'clock. 4:30. Very good. As that minute hand keeps moving, right? And we're gonna start talking about using some other intervals. Now, I hope you enjoyed doing just a few different Spanish words, and we're gonna learn some more in our next section of the day. I'm gonna do some Spanish words in foundations and do some Spanish words in reading. In reading, we're gonna have a story. Oh, by the way, do you see what I'm wearing? Oh, you got it. This is a sombrero. Yep, this is a sombrero. In reading, we're gonna read a story, hear a little information about Cinco de Mayo, and then we're gonna read a really cool story, fiction story. We're gonna have some nonfiction and some fiction about Cinco de Mayo. So I hope you enjoy this today, and in your math assignment, you will be finding our new equation and putting it on our grid and answering a few math questions for me. and doing a little Cinco de Mayo activity. All right? Adios.